A very good morning, class 3rd. Today we will revise chapter 9, which is about weight, right? So today we will study about the topic weight. What do you mean by weight? So if I have to find that how much weight of this marker, इस मार्कर का कितना वेट है, राइट? तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगी, इसको मेज़र करूँगी. एंड मेज़र हम किस में करते हैं आपका, आइदर किलोग्राम और ग्राम, राइट? और वेट क्या बताता है बच्चे, कि कोई भी आप मार्कर लो और यू विल टेक दिस डस्टर, व्हाट इट टोल्ड दैट हाउ मच द वेट of this or how much a thing is heavy. So what weight tell us? Weight told us that how much an object is heavy. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो कितना हैवी है, that we get from the weight, right? लाइक दिस मार्कर. अगर मुझे पता करना है कि ये मार्कर जो है वो कितना हैवी है, तो मैं क्या करूँगी, आई विल फाइंड द वेट ऑफ दिस मार्कर, राइट? एंड वेट वी आर फाइंडिंग विद द यूनिट्स किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम. नाउ व्हेन यू गो टू द शॉपकीपर टू बाय समथिंग, वहाँ पे आप जब कुछ खरीदते हो बेटा, सो व्हाट यू सेड देयर, give me 1 kg sugar, right? 1 kg tea, 1 kg bananas. So वो जो आप 1 kg वर्ड यूज करते हो, 1 kg means 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram, and this 1 kg or 1 kilogram tells the weight of that item, weight of that item. कि जो भी आइटम आप परचेज कर रहे हो, आइदर दैट इज बनाना, दैट इज शुगर, वट एवर, दैट विल बी ऑफ 1 kg. क्लियर? सो what tells us weight? Weight tells us that how much an object is heavy. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट, आइटम, वट एवर जो भी आप परचेज कर रहे हो वो कितना हैवी है, राइट? नाउ come to see, generally we are using the unit, generally always we said that give 1 kilogram rice, right? 1 kg apple, 1 kg sugar, 5 kg potatoes. So all these, what are they? They are the weight of these things. Weight of this. We always said that give us 1 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 7 kilogram. We never said that give us 450 gram apple. Ever said? No. We never said it. Give us 450 kilogram. Give us 300 gram sugar. Right? So इससे क्या होता है बच्चे, जो हम केजी रेगुलर लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं, जो हम रेगुलरली किलोग्राम यूज़ करते हैं, दैट विल बी द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ वेट. एसआई यूनिट ऑफ वेट, दैट इज किलोग्राम. एसआई यूनिट ऑफ वेट इज किलोग्राम. SI unit of weight is kilogram, right? Mark this point. SI unit, what do you mean by this SI unit? SI unit means the standard unit. What means SI unit? Means the standard unit, and standard unit means which we use regularly. Why I use word regularly here? मैंने इसमें रेगुलरली वर्ड यूज़ क्यों किया, वाई? रीज़न, जो यूनिट हम डेली लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं, आइदर वो वेट से रिलेटेड हो, आइदर दैट इज रिलेटेड टू लेंथ, कैपेसिटी, राइट? सो दैट विल बी द एसआई यूनिट. लाइक फॉर वेट we used kilogram. For capacity we said 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, right? And for the length we always used meter. We never say that give 100 centimeter of this cloth, right? Shopkeeper also said that cost of 2 meter equals to rupees 50, right? So in length what? Meter. Remember this, length, that is meter, weight kilogram, and for capacity that is liter. Which one? Liter, right? So today we will go through with this about weight. Now second point, that is there are some non-standard unit, that is fixed SI unit, which is standard unit of weight. Now there are some non-standard unit of weight are also there. नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट मीन्स जो यूनिट तो है वेट की बट वी आर नॉट यूजिंग देम रेगुलरली. नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ वेट. सी ग्राम यूनिट है आपकी, एक वेट की ही है ग्राम, बट जो है हम इसे रेगुलरली यूज नहीं करते, right? After gram, that is stones, beads, right? These are also milligram. So these are the some non-standard units beta which we are not using in our day-to-day life, but they are also the unit of weight, right? If you have question that choose the non-standard unit of weight. Non-standard unit of weight. And option are meter, milligram, second one centimeter, and D part liter, right? So here how you do this question, आप कैसे करेंगे इसको? Choose the non-standard unit. Non-standard means non-SI unit. Means वो यूनिट तो है वेट की बट नॉन स्टैंडर्ड. मीटर यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. मिलीग्राम, सी मिलीग्राम, gram is the unit of weight, right? Non-standard unit of weight, it means milligram. Now come to third one, centimeter. Meter is the unit of length, so no. Liter unit of capacity. नॉन स्टैंडर्ड का मतलब ये नहीं होता बेटा कि वो यूनिट की वेट की यूनिट ही नहीं है. नो, इट डजंट मीन लाइक दिस. दैट non-standard unit of weight means that is the unit of weight but we are not using that regularly. So here the non-standard unit of weight is milligram. Clear this question? Now come to the topic, that is how to express the weight. How to express the weight, like expressing weight. How you will write 1 kilogram equals to how many gram? We know 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, right? So either you will write 1 kilogram or you will write 1000 gram, that is equal value. Now 5 kilogram equals to how many grams? Think about it. So we know 1 kilogram equals to 1000. So 5 kilogram, 5 multiply 1000, it is equals to 5000 gram. Clear my point? After this, see here, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. It means that kilogram is divided into equal 1000 parts. Kilogram means it is divided into equal 1000 parts, right? Now, see, you have to express the weight in gram or kilogram either. So how you will convert them? Gram is small, kilogram is big. So I told you earlier also that small to big, divide, big to small, always multiply. Small to big, divide, and big to small, always क्या करेंगे आप? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, राइट? व्हाट वी डू? वी मल्टीप्लाई. बट by which number you have to multiply and by which number you have to divide, that we will choose what is the relation between the units. And we know that 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, right? 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So here we will divide by 1000 and here we will multiply by 1000, right? Now come to the question, that is (56 kilogram equals to how many gram? So I told you here beta that big to small, what we do? Multiply with 1000. So here come 56,000 gram, right? Now 78,000 gram equals to how many kilogram? This one is small, this one is big. Small to big, it means divide by 1000. Zeros cut by zeros and here come 78 kilogram. Clear this one? So what come here? Answer will be the 78 kilogram, right? Clear the answer? Now come to the next one. These are very simple, which we have to just convert gram to kilogram and kilogram to gram. Now we will convert this one. 9,506 gram equals to how many kilogram? Now we will convert this. So students, say small to big. What we have to do? We will divide by 1000. Divide it 9,506 by 1000. Downside how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Write the digit as it is. Count from the right side. 1, 2, 3. Put here decimal. क्या करेंगे आप? Put here decimal and your answer is 9.506 kilogram. And same, if you have to convert kilogram as well as gram. So before the point, this 9 be the kilogram, and after this point 506 is gram, right? So this is the way to convert gram into kilogram and gram. now see one more question. Three 3,606 gram equals to how many kilogram and how many gram? So for this also what we do beta, we will divide it by 1000. Downside how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3 digits, 3 decimal 606. So the number before the decimal, that is the kilogram, and the number after decimal, that is gram. Right? So this is about the expressing the weight. Now come to the next second topic, that is how to add, subtract, multiply and division the weight. So there are two methods. See the question here. 35 kilogram 762 gram plus 32 kilogram 213 gram. Either you will write it as it is, kilogram 762 gram 32 kilogram. You have to keep in mind बच्चे that unit should be under 213 gram. Right? Now plus and write down the answer. Second way for this is, upper side you will write kilogram and here gram, because only these two units are given. For kilogram that is 35 and here 32. For gram 762 and 230. Add it. 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 9 gram. 5 plus 2 7, 3 plus 3 6, and unit is kilogram. See, there is a difference between unit and price. Unit जो है वो आपकी that will come at last or after the digit. Always remember this point. जब भी आप बेटा units लगाते हो, either unit of capacity, length or weight, the unit will become at the last or after the numbers. And about the price, price will always come before the numbers, first or before digit. So remember this point. See, whenever you go to the market to buy something, तो जब भी आप किसी चीज़ का प्राइस पूछते हो, what you said, what was the amount of 1 kg apple, and the reply you get ₹50. So see, 1 kg, this kg unit comes after this digit, and price ₹50, this you come first before the digit. Clear? So always remember this point, that unit will come after the digit and price will come before the digit. Right? Now come to the next one, that is of subtraction. How to subtract the weight. हम weight को कैसे subtract करें? So why there is a need of subtraction? Firstly, हमें subtraction की need क्यों है बच्चे? To find the difference between two items. To find the difference. Which one is more heavy? Right? For that we need to subtract the weight. Like see, weight of this marker is approx 50 gram. And weight of this duster approx 150 gram. So यहाँ से आप only by seeing आप देखने से बता सकते हो मैम डस्टर इज मोर हैवी देन मार्कर, राइट? डस्टर इज मोर हैवी देन मार्कर, बट हाउ मच द डस्टर इज हैवी? Why the duster, sorry, how much the duster is heavy? For that you have to subtract duster, weight of duster minus weight of marker. Duster 150 gram, marker 50 gram. So the answer is 100 gram. Get the answer? Duster is more heavy than marker. How much? 100 gram. So for these type of sum we need to know how to subtract the weight. Clear? To know about the two items, which one is more heavy. Now multiplication. Multiplication will be like same as you are doing. 462 kilogram multiply with 8. So beta multiplication why need? If you know about the weight of one item or weight of one marker, I said I am having 10 markers, 10 markers, and weight of one marker is, weight of one marker is equals to 50 gram. Now you can get the weight of 10 markers, right? So to find the weight of same objects and number of objects, we need to multiply the weight. इसके क्या होता है, हमें weight को multiply करना होता है. After that next one will be the division. Next one will be the division of the weight. Why we need to divide the weight? Beta, if you know the weight of n number of items, आपको n number of items का weight पता है. Like this, I am having weight of this 5 duster is 500 gram. Weight of 5 duster, 5 duster weight, that is equals to 500 gram, right? And tell me the weight of one duster. Tell me the, now you need to find the weight of one duster. So for this what you will do, we will divide 500 by 5, means weight of n items divide by n. Weight of n items divide by number of the item, that is n, so that we get the weight of one duster or one item. Clear? Now, so this is the way to find the weight. After this, our next and the last topic of this class, that is how you will estimate the weight. How you will estimate the weight. Means our next topic is about estimating the weight. Estimating weight. So beta, estimating weight. Estimation means round up. Estimation means round up. See, if you buy something and it shows the weight 1.950 kilogram, right? Then the shopkeeper or the seller will told you that it is equals to 2 किलोग्राम. किसके इक्वल है ये? 2 किलोग्राम के, राइट? मीन्स ये जो 2 किलोग्राम है, दैट इज द हाउ टू एस्टिमेट द वेट. दैट इज राउंड ऑफ और दैट इज द एस्टिमेटिंग वेट. मीन्स एक अजम्पशंस बताना आपको which is nearby of that. If 1.350 kilogram, then he said to you nearly 1 kilogram, right? Now, how we estimate this weight? How you will estimate the weight? For this, we will compare gram part with 500. ग्राम पार्ट को हम 500 से कंपेयर करेंगे. लाइक 5 किलोग्राम 350 ग्राम. ग्राम पार्ट वी हैव टू कंपेयर 350. 500 से which one is more? 500. It means round of this is 5 kilogram. Round of this is 5 kilogram. Next, 4 kilogram 750 gram. Again, gram part we have to compare with 500. Which one is more? This one. If this one is more, it means we are having the greater one, so we will add 1 kilogram to this. 4 kilogram plus 1 kilogram, that is 5 kilogram. How it occurs? See, this one we are having 350 gram, right? Either 0 kilogram or 1 kilogram. 0 kilogram, it means you have to come back 350 steps, आपको पीछे आना है. And for 1 kilogram 650 steps आपको आगे जाना है. क्लियर? देखो, आप ग्राम किलोग्राम भूल जाओ. जस्ट फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस ग्राम एंड किलोग्राम. सी, यहाँ पे आपका 0 है एंड हेयर 1000. Right? Because we know 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Here 0 and here is 1000. To come to 0, 0 पे आने के लिए 350 step back. And thousands पे जाने के लिए plus 650 steps आपको और आगे जाना है. Right? So इस केस में बच्चे which one is less? 350 less है. 350 less, it means 0 and 0, so your answer will be remain the same. Same we will apply for this 750. One side 0, one side 1000. 0 आने के लिए minus 750 and come to 1000 plus 250. Which one is less? 250 less? It means 1000 plus. And 1000 plus, it means 1 kilogram. So 4 plus 1 kilogram, that is equals to 5 kilogram. Clear? This is the concept of how to estimate the weight. If you not understand about this, why we compare with 500, आप ऐसे भी करके चेक कर सकते हैं. Only two conditions are there. Either 0 kilogram आप ऐड करोगे और 1 kilogram you will add. But you have to check 20 minus 750 and 4000 plus 250. Less 250 less है 750 से, so we will add 1 to this. Right? This is about your chapter 9 weight, which we revised. So for this, today your homework is, for this homework is make 10 questions of weight, 10 questions on weight, and answer them. आप 10 questions खुद बनाओगे बच्चे, उनके आंसर्स लिखोगे and you will send me personally. Clear? After this, if anyone have any problem in chapter 9, you can comment and you can ask.